So good afternoon all of you, and welcome back to the online math class of class 12. You know about the periodic test? Do you got the date schedule of periodic test? In which day? In next week? In which day? The date or day? In the next week? 20th. That means Wednesday. During a class, it will be taken. Do you know how to give the exam? Do you know how to give the exam? I have told to you in previous classes how to give the exam. Respond me. I am waiting. Okay. So for that exam today I am discussing some MCQs from the NCERT book. Obviously the syllabus will be, you know, that the differential equation and the integrals. So I am giving you the MCQs from the NCERT exercise, starting from the LDE. The integrating factor IF, the integrating factor of the differential equation x dy dx minus y square equals to 2x square is, the options are e to the power minus x, e to the power minus y, 1 by x and x. You do it in a copy and type the answer. This is from NCERT exercise. Option C. Akash is saying option C. Rest of the students who are doing the class, rest of the students, you do it in your copy and tell me. Do it in your copy and tell me. Respond me, respond me. Option C, Saprabho. Option C, Subhajit and Shobhandip. Respond me. Integrating factor. So this equation will be written as dy dx minus 1 by x into y equals to 2x. Then integrating factor, that is e to the power integration p dx, that means 1 by x dx. That means e to the power integration minus log x, that means e to the power, okay, after doing the integration it is e to the power minus log x. So e to the power log 1 by x, that means 1 by x. Isn't it? Isn't it? Is it all right? Is it all right? That is option C. Respond me first. Okay. Move on to the next question. Wait once. A homogeneous differential equation, a homogeneous differential equation of the form dx dy equals to h of, that is a function of x by y, can be solved can be solved by making the substitution options are y equals to vx, option B x equals v equals to yx, v equals to yx, option C x equals to vy, and option D that is x equals to v. Which is the correct option? Tell me. Akash is saying option C, x equals to vy. Why, Akash, it is x equals to vy? Can you explain it? Can you explain it? And where are the rest of the students who are doing the class? Because x by y equals to v. Yes, because x by y equals to v. This will be simplified, isn't it? By putting v equals to yx or x by y equals to by putting x equals to vy, that is the option C, that is the correct answer. That means x by y equals to v. So it should be function of v. Then it will be simplified. Okay, isn't it? Isn't it? Where are the rest of the students? Respond. Apart from Akash, only Akash is responding. He is giving the answer, he is giving the explanation. Okay, so move on to the next one. Which of the following is a homogeneous differential equation? The options are 4x plus 6y plus 5 into dy minus within the bracket 3y plus 2x plus 4 into dx equals to 0. Option B, xy into dx minus xs cube plus y cube into dy equals to 0. Option C, xs cube plus 2y square into dx plus 2xy into dy equals to 0. And option D, y square dx plus x square minus xy minus y square dy equals to 0. So, which of the following is a homogeneous equation? Tell me. I am waiting for your answer. Akash is saying option D. Rest of the students, Saprabh is saying option D. Shubhajit, Shubhandeep. Shubhandeep Gop, where are you? You are not responding. Respond me through message. Subhajit, respond me. Option D, yes. Subhajit. Option D, look at the degrees of each term. That is 2, that is 2, that is 2, 2. So all are in 2. So that is a homogeneous equation. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Okay. So move on to the next exercise. The general solution of the differential equation dy dx equals to e to the power x plus y is, the options are e to the power x plus e to the power minus y equals to c. Option B, that is e to the power x plus e to the power y equals to c. Option C, e to the power minus x plus e to the power y equals to c. And option D, that is e to the power minus x plus e to the power minus y equals to c. The general solution of the differential equation that is given by dy dx equals to e to the power x plus y is. How many questions will come in upcoming exam? 10 questions, 10 MCQs. There will be 10 MCQs in form of PDF will be uploaded during the beginning of the class. You got it, Saprabho? Okay. Option A. Akash is saying option A. dy by e to the power y equals to dx e to the power x into dx. So that will give you minus to the power minus y equals to the power x. Give it a plus c here. E to the power x plus e to the power minus y equals to c. Option A is the correct answer. Yes, option A is the correct answer. All of you are correct. Okay, move on to the next question. Which of the following differential equation has y equals to c1 e to the power x plus c2 e to the power minus x as the general solution? The options are g2y dx2 plus y equals to 0. Option B, g2y dx2 minus y equals to 0. Option C, g2y dx2 plus 1 equals to 0. And option D, g2y dx2 minus 1 equals to 0. Which one is correct? Tell me. I am waiting. Do it first. Akash is saying option B. Rest of the students? Rest of the students. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Very good. Whenever you differentiate twice, then it will give you again y back. Okay, y will be coming back again. That means d2y dx2 equals to y. That means d2y dx2 minus y equals to 0. Very good. So move on to the next question. Integration minus pi to pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine to the power 7x dx, that is equals to option A 0, option B 1, option C pi by 2, option D none of this. Which one is correct? Akash, option A. Rest of the students, which one is correct? Option A. Very good. Option A is the right answer. So move on to the last question, today's last question. If f of x equals to 0 to x t sine t dt, then f dash x equals to, the options are cos x plus x sin x, x sin x, x cos x, and sin x plus x cos x. Today's last question. Tell me, what is the concept? Whenever you do the differentiation f dash x, then integration will be removed here and the function will be converted in terms of the variable x. So it will give you x sin x, the option B. Yes, option B is the correct answer. So up to this one for today's class. Any queries? Any queries? Anything to ask regarding the exam? Okay, so thank you all of you for doing the class, and you know that before leaving the class, you just type your name for taking the attendance. So goodbye.